So this thing took a big shit on me and I have to replace it. Took it out already, as you see. I got the sink cleaned up, ready to install the new one. Look at my mess I got going on, man. Here's the new one right here. And we're getting it done. This is my first time replacing a garbage disposal, but I'm a DIY guy. And like I said before, I do not want to pay anybody to do something that I can do by myself. So we're gonna see how this goes. Fingers crossed. Sure. Ah, I see. Gotta like bend this thing to get it out, to separate it. All right. Wow. Easy money. Got some plumber's putty. So we gotta put it around the bottom of the rim of this damn thing. Look at this shit, man. So this shit is thick. Super thick. This better hold. I know that. It better. I'll give it y'all in a second. It's gonna take a while. Boom. Now we just gonna stick it in here. Like so. Boom. Press that bad boy down. Got the gasket on. Then we gotta put this here. And then, all right. Just tightening it up now. Open the drain plug. Boom. Easy money. And we're gonna put this gasket in. And then we are going to attach this. All right. Now we got the new one in, and all we have to do now is put the rest of the plumbing back together, plug it in, and let's see what we got. All right, we plugged in. Let's make sure we good. Oh, you hear it. Had to do it right after work, but I got it done. Like and subscribe. Peace.